This is why you need AI to boost your Etsy sales. Ready to earn with digital art? Let's get started. Ever thought about making money online but didn't know where to start? Today, I'll show you how to use AI to create and sell digital art on Etsy. No art skills needed. First, meet ArtBreeder, our AI partner in crime. Just type in a description like watercolor mushroom seamless pattern and watch it generate stunning art for you. Magic, right? Now, Etsy. This marketplace is gold for digital products like seamless patterns. These are perfect for scrapbooking, crafting, and more. Got your design? Download it in high resolution. Adjust to 300 dpi and 3600 x 3600 pixels using tools like Gigapixel AI. This ensures top-notch quality for your Etsy shop. Ready to list? Create multiple designs to stand out. Check out courses on Udemy for detailed Etsy setup guides. Boom! AI plus Etsy equals a winning combo. Like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you next time, here on @AskIPro.com.